guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be opening another bump box for you guys. So if you'd like to see what I got this month, then just keep watching.
Oh, look at this.
What is it? Show them.
It's nail polish.
Nail polish. We'll have to paint our toenails tonight.
Yeah.
Let me see.
And it's your new hat.
Alright, hold on. Let's do this first. Okay, first thing I'm pulling out is this nail polish set. This is NM, or Naked Manicure by Zoya. And it's got a naked base, perfector, and glossy seal. And it's got a lavender and a pink shade. And these are really pretty for spring. I'm really excited about these. So their nail polishes are formulated without formaldehyde resin, dibutyl phthalates, toluene, camphor, TPHP, parabens, xylene, ethyl, tosylamide, and lead. So they are supposed to be a little bit healthier for you. Did you get my hat out? It says Mom Boss, and she thinks she's the boss, so it's perfect for her. She's the boss of her babies. Oh, am I gonna wear it? So, got this cute little hat that says Mom Boss. So adorable. Love it. And we're going to the beach in like 2 weeks, so I can wear this.
And this
yes.
is a baby brother.
No, this is actually from Mommy's toothbrush. This is a toothbrush protector. Again, I can take that on vacation in 2 weeks. Ideal for home or travel. And this is by Steripod. Okay, this is a little dusty because they put these little paper things in here and like shredded paper, and it gets like paper residue on these things. But this is by Glow 9 Organics. This is their Balanced and Natural Foot Soak Organic White Grapefruit and Lavender Essential Oils. This is 8 ounces. And my feet have been swelling lately, so I might have to use that tonight. The next thing I'm pulling out is this Mighty Patch Originals. Your Blemish Hero 6 patches. Visibly shows it's working, protects for faster healing, drug-free, and non-drying.
And she actually got this.
No, I didn't. Put that down. So, it's just a patch that there's 6 patches in here that you can put on your pimples. Luckily, Luckily, my skin has cleared up a great deal, but I definitely needed these more in the beginning of this pregnancy because my skin was going crazy. But if they happen to come back, I'll have some patches to put on it. So the next thing I've got is by Pure Cosmetics. This is the Take the Day Off Reusable Facial Cloth. Revolutionary drying technology makes travel easy. So it comes in this little bag, so you can put it in your travel bag. And it is sealed, of course. But it's just a really nice makeup remover cloth. It feels kind of spongy. It's not like that. This feels so cool. Feel it. It's like squishy and soft. Oh my gosh, I love this material. One side is like textured and one side is smooth. Oh my gosh, that's so soft. I love it.
Can I smell it?
I'm excited to try that.
Smell it too. You smell it too.
That's pretty cool.
You smell it too. Mommy's favorite thing.
So the next thing I'm pulling out is the little snack. Excuse me. The next thing I'm pulling out is the little snack that comes in the box. All but one of my boxes so far have come with a snack. So this is by Bobo's, and this is their Oat Bites peanut butter and chocolate chip. It's just like, it looks like a little muffin, but they're kind of hard, and then they have the peanut butter and chocolate chip on the inside, and they're supposed to be healthy for you. They're organic. And I have bought some of these from Kroger, but they were the peanut butter and jelly ones, and Bradley liked those. I didn't really try them yet. I didn't get a chance to try it yet, so we'll see if I like this one. Okay, the last thing I'm pulling out is another sheet mask. I've gotten a few sheet masks in these boxes, And I love sheet masks, so I don't mind. And this is by Timeless Beauty Bar. This is their Glam and Glow sheet mask. Bless you. Cool, fresh, vibrant, best for a night out. Benefits: radiance boosting, even skin tone energizing. And it contains one sheet and let's see, free of artificial dyes, fragrances, parabens, phthalates, silicones, and sulfates.
A monkey's on your head.
So that is everything for this bump box. They do send you a little sheet telling you the prices of everything, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So the nail polish pack was $20. The Bump Life trucker hat was $20. The foot soak was $16. The reusable facial cloth was $18. The toothbrush cover was $4, and the Timeless Beauty Bar was $6. And they don't even include the price of the snack in these, so you're even getting... So this box is worth $83.97, and my husband did get this subscription for me for Christmas, and he paid for it all at once, but I do believe this subscription is about $40 a month. I could be wrong. I'll link it below. I do have a referral link below if you want to check it out. If you're pregnant or someone you know is pregnant, this is a really great gift to treat yourself or your spouse, or your daughter, your sister, your friend, anyone in your life who is expecting. If someone you know is expecting, it's a great little treat each month. You can get 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and I think you can even get 12 months. That is all for this bump box. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and definitely check out their website if you're interested in getting your own bump box. So thanks again for watching. I love you, and Jesus loves you too. God bless you all. Bye.